If Saturn were suddenly swapped with a super Saturn, the effects on the solar system would be staggering. First off, its increased mass would make its gravitational pull much stronger. It would likely draw in more moons, forming a massive, dazzling ring system. In fact, the rings could become so vast, they might even extend beyond Saturn's current orbit. Super Saturn would have a profound effect on its neighbors too. Its immense gravity would distort the orbits of nearby planets like Jupiter and even tilt Earth's orbit, potentially altering the climate over millions of years. But don't get too close. With its new size, Super Saturn's gravity could destabilize the asteroid belt, sending more asteroids our way. And the beauty of Saturn's rings? It might also lead to more frequent ring collisions, creating temporary flashes of light as icy particles smash together. In short, the cosmos would never be the same. A super Saturn would make our solar system a wild, unpredictable place.